And welcome back. So we did have a good amount of sunshine as we made our way through the day today, and high temperatures about 6 degrees above where we should be. That put most of us into the mid-50s. Here's a look at our tower cam time lapse in North Platte. We did have the sunshine, just a few high clouds at times, and that's basically it. So we're back to a sunny, dry, and relatively mild weather pattern once again after spending the last couple of weeks pretty cool. Now here's a look at the high temperatures today. 56 at North Platte, into the mid-50s at Ogallala and Imperial, also out toward Lexington, mid-50s. The warm spot was Broken Bow at 57 and lower 50s at Valentine and at Thedford. So into the Sandhills, just slightly warmer. Thedford at 32, but Valentine at 23. We're near 20 at Broken Bow, North Platte, Ogallala, upper teens right now at Lexington. Here's a look at your winds. Now the I-80 corridor and up toward Broken Bow have all gone calm, but most everybody else has that southerly wind around 3 to 8 miles per hour. So that's continuing to pump in warmer air where the wind is blowing. Clear skies is the reason why most of us where the wind is not blowing is pretty cool right now. So here's a look at the Doppler radar, mainly clear skies. We're looking at some clouds developing just off to the south of Lexington with mostly clear to partly cloudy skies out in that direction and off to the west of Ogallala. So we'll keep at least some cloud cover as we go through the overnight. Here's a look at the Doppler radar. Some snow showers missing us off to the north and some rain showers missing us off to the south. Another low into the northeast, but for us, in our latitudes, we have these high pressure systems that just keep coming. So this is going to be the pattern that's going to keep us dry with a good amount of sunshine as we go through most of the next 7 days. This high is working its way out to the east, giving us that southerly wind. Another one is right behind it. So we're going to keep mainly clear skies, temperatures falling back into the mid-teens for lows. And for the day tomorrow, we lose any cloud cover. Briefly, the wind flips around to the north, but the sunshine is enough to get those highs into the low to mid-50s for the day tomorrow. Low temperatures starting off your Wednesday morning just after daybreak, near 20 degrees again. And it'll be another day where we keep mostly sunny skies. And it's our third day in a row that we will be into the mid-50s for highs. Any of the clouds and precipitation missing us off to the west. So here's what it looks like on the wide maps. There's that high giving us a southerly wind. Just a very brief cold sector with this next high. That'll still give us a good amount of sunshine for the day tomorrow. And then we're tracking this low pressure system Wednesday into Thursday. We'll track to our north. It barely has any moisture at all. But the cold front will make its way through. It flips the wind to the north, could be a little breezy, getting us into the mid to upper 40s for highs. Few more clouds. Most of the snow shower activity should stay into the Panhandle and southeastern Wyoming. And another high is right behind that, so we'll be back to sunshine after that. It'll keep us dry. Slightly cool for Thanksgiving. Any snow showers stretching from the Panhandle into South Dakota, and there's barely any into the northern plains. Any rain is going to be into the deep south through the Midwest, and we are just going to cool down for one day on Thanksgiving before we're back to temperatures above average. So here's your forecast for tonight. Mostly clear, temperatures in the mid-teens to near 20, and sunny skies and mild tomorrow as most of us are into the mid-50s, even with a north-northwesterly wind. Then for the day on Wednesday, partly cloudy, still mild and dry. Could be a few degrees warmer, mid to upper 50s across most of the region. And then for the day on Thanksgiving, partly cloudy. There's your high temperature of 48, windy northerly winds cooling us down. But we're right back up there. Another surge of warm air gets us into the upper 50s for Friday and Saturday. Sunny to mostly sunny, lower 50s on Sunday, partly cloudy, and still dry through next Monday, mostly sunny, and a high of 56. Kent?
But still very nice weather ahead of us here for the next week.
You know, to round out November, being in the mid-upper 50s with sunshine does feel good.
Yeah. All right. Thanks so much, Justin. Social Security benefits will go up in January by 8.7%. That's the largest cost of living increase in 40 years. And this Watching Your Wallet consumer investigator Rachel DePompa shares how much extra money you could see, plus expert advice on how you can best spend it.
This is the highest cost of living adjustment we've seen since the 1970s. The Social Security Administration says the 8.7% increase translates to an average